Let's see. I need to do something with the claw in order to pick up the statue.
Special alert! Special alert!
Whoa!
Outrageous!
Special Agent Oso, Mr. Dose here. A carousel ride is at risk. Cassie has dropped her carousel ticket under the pier, and she can't ride the carousel without it. Your special assignment: help Cassie find her ticket and ride the carousel.
Sounds tricky. Would you help me with this special assignment? Thanks. Paw Pilot, what special steps will I need for this assignment?